have a Kenmore refrigerator that the light switch does not work, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Switch does not work anymore when you open up the door, so it's gotten to the point where even when we open it up, it is dark. And here's the switch that we need to replace. And the first thing I need to do is to unplug the refrigerator. What I want to do is to tape around the switch so I don't scratch the refrigerator.
Perfect.
What I want to do is I want to get my blade behind the switch so that I can push this piece in so I can pull the switch out. Did you get that piece pulled in? You undo that. Push this. Push it back in. And you want to plug in your refrigerator to make sure it works. And it does. And it goes, the switch goes off and on. Take the tape off. Slide the switch back in, push it in place, and it is fixed. Thanks for watching.